Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm sharing a fertility frequency binaural beats, the fertile womb meditation. And this is something that I've done with my patients in the past with great success to be able to open up the energy in that womb, in that second chakra. So when we take a look at the chakras of the body, there are 7 of them. And of course, when we're talking about fertility and opening up the womb, that is the second chakra, and it's called the sacral chakra, and that energy we want to ensure is flowing properly to be able to invite that new birth into that womb, but also to ensure if there was any trauma or if there was any type of negative emotions associated with the second chakra, that is nice and cleared out so that you can welcome in that baby. And this is very common. I think back to one of my patients who had difficulty getting pregnant. She did have a son to begin with, and for years after that just couldn't become pregnant again. And so when I started to open up to her about the second chakra, and for some people, if you haven't heard about energy medicine before, it could be a bit of a stretch to let your mind go there, but I started to explain that in the second chakra there has to be clear energy in order to invite that new baby in. And we started to dialogue a little bit, and she did share with me that unfortunately she, in the midst had some relationship issues in her life with her sister, and that wasn't ever cleared up. So she did finally open up to me, and she shared that she did have some relationship issues that were not resolved. And it doesn't matter who the relationship issues are with, whether that's your significant other, it could be a sister, it could be a brother, it could be your parents, it could be something even from your childhood. But she opened up and said that, and we had a talk around, some unresolved feelings there, and doing, some energy work on that second chakra. Well, sure enough, the next time I saw her, she reported that she was pregnant, and she attributed the whole fact that, we went through the exercise and put that, that positive healing energy into the second chakra, clearing out that old junk and garbage and old emotions from that area, that she was convinced that that's why she was able to get pregnant. And she has always thanked me for that. And it wasn't me, of course. I only shared the information that I know and what I know works in terms of clearing out that energy. So we're going to do that today. So, this is something that you can do on your own, and you don't have to share, your trauma or what you've been through with anybody, but with, Mother Nature, with the universe, with God, whatever you believe in or don't believe in. That's totally fine. It's for you to do that healing and for you to center in on the second chakra to be able to do that. So let's do that now. And, I look forward to hearing all of your positive feedback and what this can do for you. So we're going to get comfortable first of all, and if you've seen my videos before, I like to have both my feet on the ground at the same time. So being able to do that, getting centered, you could be sitting on the ground, you could even be lying down when you do this meditation. And what you're going to do now is with, the binaural beats, ideally, when you watch this again, if you're watching for the first time, you didn't know, but for the next time, I want you to wear headphones. So you'll get the full effect of the binaural beats music in the background to really help with setting your brain waves in the right way into that meditative state and into that healing state. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some deep breaths in and out, and I'm going to guide you through to be able to focus in on the energy of that second chakra, and we're going to eliminate any negative tension or bad feelings, emotions, stuck energy in this area of the body, and we're going to be able to let it go. So just breathing deeply now for a few deep breaths. I'll leave you to it. Breathing in and out effortlessly, allowing that breath to come in and out of your body. And just focusing in on the music for a few moments, allowing it to entrain your brain into that healing and relaxed state. And I'll come back in a moment. Now, if you choose to, you can put one hand over your womb, your uterus area, the second chakra. And sometimes I actually even like to put my other hand on my back so that I'm focusing that energy between my hands in that area. And again, continuing to breathe deeply in that relaxed state. And now we're going to set our intention to that area between our hands to allow for any stuck energy, any negative energy, any past emotions that do not serve us well, to be transformed into the light and into that healing ability of our body to restore its natural state. And we're severing any connections to anything that does not serve our highest good. Again, allowing it to transfer into the light. We ask for forgiveness, and forgiveness goes towards other people, but also forgiveness to ourselves. And now with that energy cleared, we have a new and healthy space to allow for that energy of a new energy, if that is what's meant for us, to allow to come into this space. And you can stay here as long as you need to. I'll guide us out of the meditation with that healing energy in mind, staying connected to nature, to the earth, to the universe. And slowly, when you're ready, opening your eyes and coming back. And you can stay in that meditative state for as long as you need to, but I'm telling you, this is remarkable. And for fertility, this is a game changer. If you've not ever experienced something like this before, if you're new to it, it's not weird, it's not, you know, something crazy. It's something that actually will work to take you towards having that healthy pregnancy and that healthy baby. And I can't wait to hear in the comments how this is working for you. So please leave your comments, and or if you have questions about meditation or guided visualization or energy healing, I would love to hear from you as well. So put all your questions. There's no such thing as a bad question, or, you know, something that if you're curious, then I would love to help as much as I can. Please be sure to share this video as well if you know someone who's struggling with fertility issues, because, you know, this could be that missing link that they're missing in terms of their protocols and whether they're going conventional or they're trying to do things naturally in terms of getting pregnant. This can really be that missing link for them. So be sure to share this video. And I'd love a big thumbs up. I know that, you know, you love to share your positive attitude and your positivity with me as well. So I appreciate all those thumbs up. It really does mean a lot. And if you're new here, make sure that you're subscribed, and also turn on those post notifications by clicking that bell and scrolling down and clicking all notifications. You want to get all of our newest and latest uploads, and we upload every single day here on YouTube. So thanks for joining me today. I hope that you learned something new, and remember to always take care of your good health and to do it naturally.